Meet Starting Over, the first Kenworth T620 sleeper cab on New Zealand roads and the latest star in Northchill Group's immaculate fleet. This 8x4 tractor unit turns heads with eye-catching paint, custom stainless, extra lighting, a polished Kenworth bumper and armoury chrome wheels. Paired with a 15.1 metre Fairfax Signature refrigerated quad semi, it's built to work and to impress. Behind the wheel is Hayden Little, self-confessed obsessive cleaner, drummer and Northchill's Regional Operations Manager in Palmerston North. Hayden had one simple trade-off when the truck was spec'd: skip the TV and microwave and give him a world-class stereo. The team delivered, factory stereo upgraded with Rockford Fosgate speakers and two 10-inch subs in the locker. Hayden listens to music all day, so quality matters to him. Power comes from a 625 horsepower Euro 6 Cummins X15 Performance Series engine with 2,050 pounds-foot of torque. Having previously driven a T610 SAR, Hayden says it's quieter than the old Euro 5 unit and pulls strongly, often running a gear higher than its predecessor. Early fuel consumption averages sit around 40 to 45 litres per 100 k's, while the new engine settles in. Starting Over mainly runs between Auckland and Palmerston North with a refrigerated quad semi, hauling dairy loads for foodstuffs. Paid loads typically run about 20 tonnes, with gross weights around 40 to 43 tonnes. The trailer spec was equally thorough: ROR axles, Wabco ABS EBS, tyre pressure monitoring and inflation system, alloy forklift rated floors and LED lighting. The Fairfax quad semi with 28 pallet vertical double loader is built to Northchill's requirements.
One unit southbound, Toki Point. One unit southbound, Toki Point.
Southbound, Toki Point.
Southbound coming around.
Maintenance is central to Northchill's success. Owned by Graham and Michelle Reddington, the Pukekohe-based company runs 27 Kenworths among a fleet of 41 trucks and does nearly everything in-house: engine rebuilds, transmissions, diffs, modifications and tractor setups. With strict service intervals and Castrol oils, Cummins engines average 1.2 to 1.3 million kilometres before major work. The new T620 was unveiled at the 2025 Brisbane Truck Show and brings subtle but meaningful upgrades over the T610 models. They include new bonnet air intakes, red Euro 6 badging, a digital dash and the smart steering wheel borrowed from the K220. Hayden praises the steering, the comfy seats, the big 42 litre fridge and the tracking stability from the steering fourth axle on the quad. Hayden also sleeps in the truck more than most, finding it comfortable with good living space for an overnight stay. He's proud of the truck's presentation and stays busy polishing the chrome steps, stainless work and those armoury super chromes that make this truck stand out. Starting Over is more than a new model, it's a team effort from Southpack Trucks, Northchill's workshop, painters, stainless fabricators and signwriters. It's a statement of pride in the gear, performance and presentation. For Hayden and the Northchill crew, it's a truck that looks great, drives beautifully and sounds even better.